Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. In today's video, I'm come to make fufu. Yeah, this is not fufu powder. This is not what we make it. Yeah, this is a new method and it's very easy, yummy to do it. Yeah, it's easy, simple recipe. So find some peace and sit and let's start. You know why I'm dividing this fufu into two? Yeah, we Ghanaians, if you prepare food for special person like your husband, your father or your visitors, we divide it into two like this. And this shape is for us, yeah? It's for we women or someone, the person who prepared the food, that shape is for us. And check my light soup. That soup is very yummy. It's dry fish, dry cow leg, dry beef, dry goat meat and some crab, so the soup tastes also yummy. I'm going to update the recipe for you very soon. Yeah, don't worry, I have the recipe that is also coming. Maybe this week or next week you will see the recipe. And that's my okra. Yeah, and let's eat. Check the fufu. Ooh, please, if you try this fufu, you will not buy fufu powder again. You will not buy potato powder again. You will make your own red fufu, especially those people outside from Africa, Abrochi people, Europe people, America people. Yeah, you will stop powder fufu. You will stop the fufu powder with starch. You will stop that. So let's start. I'm using 2 plantain and 1 cassava. Yeah, me use brozi 2 na banchi baako. Banchiko, yeah, that's what I'm going to use it. And you start peeling it. You remove the skin from it. Please be careful with your hand, yeah. And after that, you divide it into 2 and you take the core from it. Yeah, you remove that ahoma from inside. You put it aside. Take the plantain and you peel also. You take the skin from it. Be careful with your hand and clean all the bottom from the plantain, yeah. Then you add water, you wash it well, yeah. Wash it well, not too much, not harder. You put water and you wash it and you put it aside. So these 2 methods, you can grate it like this, yeah. You can grate. If you don't have good blender, you can grate it like this before you blend it. But if you have good blender like my own, then you cut it into pieces, yeah. So this, yeah, you see. Then the plantain, you grate the plantain too. So this one is for those people who don't have good blender to blend it. That's why I'm showing you. You can grate it before you blend it and it will easy for your blender. So this one, I'm cutting it into pieces. You chop it into pieces. So be careful with your hand, yeah, otherwise you cut your hand. You cut it into pieces like this. So it's 2 methods. You can grate it before you blend it, or you chop it like this and then you blend it, yeah. So if you don't have good blender, you're supposed to grate before you blend it. So I finish. You know, I have already washed it, so you don't need to wash it again, yeah. You don't need to wash it again. You wash it before you grate it or you chop it and you mix all together and you put into your blender, yeah, your clean blender. You wash it good and you put inside like this. Then you add water to it, not too much water, You're supposed to like not light, not thick, like medium, and you blend until smooth. It's easy and simple. So you put your saucepan on fire and then you pour your blender thing to it and you set your fire to medium high temperature. You stir it until thicker, yeah. You stir, don't leave it, yeah. You see the fire is on, but when it's going on, don't let the fire to too medium. You can lower it, yeah, lower it too small. So it's thicker now. Now you need to drive it. You stir it harder, the way you make your banku or the way you make your eba the way you make your coconte, do the same to this one. Yeah, you stir it good, you drive it very nicely. Yeah, don't add water. Yeah, you don't need any water. The water you use to blend it, that's all. You don't need any water again, and you stir it like this. So you can stop it with 2 minutes. Yeah, you stop it 2 minutes, you leave it like this, you don't cover, leave it for 2 minutes, and you come and stir it again. Then it's ready. This one take just 10 minutes. You see, this don't take too long. It's ready. You take it from the fire. Yeah, then you start molding it. The way you make your fufu, the way you make your kokonte, the way you make your eba, you make the same. So now say no more fufu powder, no more potato and starch fufu. Yeah, you stop all those things. You are going to make your own real fufu at home. If you try this recipe, you are going to say bye bye to fufu powder, bye bye to potato and starch fufu. You are going to stop all those things. And you see, it's easy and simple. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook, invite your friend, say something. Yeah, and I'm here to help you. Anything you can send me message, I'll help you. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.